Hello again, my friends. As you can see, I have a few microphones here, and you know that I'm a big fan of the El Cheapo microphones, clones, and so on. Well, I found out this Beta 57A. It sounds really, really nice. Of course, my beloved SE Electronics 7X is my favorite, but I can't use it for vocals, it's too boomy. It have a really nice range, but it's too boomy. What I found, every new microphone, clone, any kind of SM58 clone and so on, they have a slight noise, a residual noise, like a buzz of some kind. And let me show you. As you can see, this is a standard microphone cable balanced. This is going to my sound card over there, and what I'm gonna do next is to have the maximum gain to these guys, okay? Here we go. So this is the maximum gain, quiet, absolutely quiet, of course, except my voice. But as long as I'm taking this out and having the new one in place, you'll find the problem. You can hear the difference. The sound is beautiful, of course, but listen to the brag one. Let me see. Can you hear the slight broom? Now I'm going back to my usual microphone up there. What's the difference here? What's happening, in fact? Let me open the connection. And it's not the first microphone I found with this problem. I'm not sure if it's a matter of being a clone or Chinese something, but it's a matter of contact or connection. Come on. Okay, so I can see here the hot, it's on pin 2, and the ground, it's on 1. Pin number 3, it's in the air. Let me have another one. Easy. Golden connector. Look there, it's original. You can see the connector. We can see the writing. I can see the writing down there saying Shure. That's the original, of course. I don't even bother to take it out. That's the original capsule with all the marks and everything. Beta 58. And the output, it's 25 ohms. Amazing. Let's have it back. You see this element here, it keeps the connector steady. 25 ohms for an original beta testing. Absolutely quiet. Okay, what I found, this cheap Chinese stuff are just connected like that to be sure that it's working on any amplifier. All I have to do now is to move this one from the ground. In fact, to make it balanced, to move this from the ground to pin number 3. Okay, done. Let's put it back. Anti-clockwise to put it in place, and we are done. So this is the original Beta 58. All I have to do is to check about that noise, if you remember. Man, it's so... Okay, you can't use it, handy use it. You have to have it on a stand or something. But the sound, it's amazing nice. No more noise. And here I have the original beta. Yes, you can hear it. It sounds really, really nice. Okay? Yes, testing. Yes, testing. This one is a little more bassy, I may say. This is pin 2. This is pin 1, of course, and pin number 3. So, 1 should go through this screw, evidently to the ground, to the case. And here, number 3, we have the microphone, like this, plus and minus. This is the right connection. The Chinese chips or chip microphones, they are coming like this. Let's say pin 1, pin 2, and pin number 3. Evidently, oh come on, this is gone. And number 2. So these guys are coming tied like this, plus and minus. And number 3 in the air. That's a kind of antenna in this situation. That's why we had that crazy noise. Anyway, this configuration here, it's balanced, and this, I don't know how can I call it, but probably this one fits to any other amplifier without any balanced input. But for professional purposes, this is the right connection. Okay, to avoid any other problems, the microphone, it will be connected in between number 2 and number 3, and number 1 goes to the case, and of course through the shield, from the cable shield, and everything goes further into the mixer input. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it's interesting. Every day new developments, new discoveries, and this is fun. This is fun, I can tell you that. So, like always, don't forget to have fun. But before that, subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and write your comments down. Okay, see you soon with some others. Bye bye.